How to use Société Générale Visa Infinite TB card properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Société Générale Visa Infinite TB card is a premium card with valuable benefits, but beginners often mismanage it, costing you rewards or facing fees. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not understanding the reward structure. Most people get this wrong by assuming all purchases earn the same points. The card offers bonus points for travel, dining, and select partners. Reviews show that strategic spending maximizes rewards. Second mistake, missing travel benefits. You won't believe how many users ignore airport lounge access, travel insurance, and concierge services. Leveraging these perks can save money and provide a superior travel experience. Third mistake, neglecting annual fees. The surprising truth is that some users focus on rewards but forget the card's annual fee. Ensuring the benefits outweigh the costs is crucial for beginners. Fourth mistake, carrying a balance. Interest rates on premium cards are high. Reviews consistently warn that carrying debt diminishes rewards and leads to unnecessary charges. Always pay in full each month. Finally, failing to monitor transactions is common. Société Générale offers online tracking and notifications. Regularly reviewing statements prevents fraud and ensures you don't miss point opportunities. Using the Société Générale Visa Infinite TB card properly means understanding rewards, using travel perks, managing fees wisely, paying in full, and monitoring transactions. Avoid these beginner mistakes to enjoy the card's full benefits and protect your financial health.